we envisioned for Elevation Station was, we looked at the area and we saw a need for the community to have some sort of outlet for indoor activities, outside of kids maybe just staying inside. We have a lot of sports here, but the weather can be pretty harsh, and we knew it would be a good idea for people to be able to have a good, safe place to come inside and do activities. Anyone that's in children's entertainment, when they're looking at adding attractions such as bowling or anything of that nature, you have to keep the kids interested in your facility. So you need to look at new attractions. You need to try to diversify what you offer for everyone. And we took a look around and we saw bowling as a good option, and we played through some other options, and we kind of came down with the Duckpin bowling and the Neoverse combination, and we really like it. One of the things that we really liked about the Duckpin was being able to meet everyone's needs, no matter the age. And anybody from ages 3 all the way up to 80, 85, anyone can do it, and we thought that that would be the best thing for the community. Everyone would be able to come in here and have a good time. Yeah, they were great. From the design team, the engineers, the sales team, the support team. Anytime we had any questions or we needed anything, I could pick up the phone, call, and I could get answers right. Excuse me. I could get answers right away, no matter the department I was looking for. Still to this day, if I need anything, I can call, the sales team. I can call the tech guys and ask questions. They're always going to be there. So I was very thrilled with the entire team at Cubica. Absolutely. A lot of times you're not sure what you can get from, companies when it comes to purchasing attractions or whatever you're looking at. For me, the guys were more than helpful. The team, like I said, they did everything they could for us, and they really made it easy for us whenever, we're buying a product, but at the same time, we don't have the experience that, you guys at the company do. And, it made it really easy for us. And anyone out there that's looking for a product similar to this, I think it's a no-brainer to go with Cubica. We really enjoy the product, and we're very glad that we went with the Cubica team and the bowling product itself.